Hey guys, do you see other bakers making fluffy cakes and you feel like your cakes don't come out fluffy enough no matter how well you try or how hard you follow the recipe? Today I'm going to be giving you tips on how to bake perfectly fluffy cakes. And the first one is to sift your flour. Regardless of what kind of flour you're using, always sift it. Number two, make a meringue. Yes, if you want it extra fluffy, even after creaming the butter and the sugar, use a meringue. Make a meringue, guys. Meringue is just sugar and egg whites, and it's like inflated, so it kind of like gives your cake more aeration, so it makes it a lot fluffier. Number three is to cream your butter and sugar for as long as possible. If you're using the hand mixer, you might like think you've creamed it enough, but most times you haven't creamed it enough because a stand mixer does about double or three times the work a hand mixer. So especially if you're using a hand mixer, try to cream as much as possible and make sure your butter is at room temperature. That way you get the perfect result. Number four, maybe you are not measuring properly, guys. Apart from, I think if you want to like follow a recipe and follow it perfectly, you have to use a measuring scale. Not measuring cups, not measuring spoon, have to use a measuring scale. And number five is just simple. Some cakes are not supposed to be fluffy. For example, if you buy carrot cakes, they're not supposed to be fluffy. They're supposed to be dense, chewy, and really moist. Or maybe chocolate mud cakes. Some cakes are just not supposed to be fluffy. So figure out what kind of cake recipe you have, and if it's a fluffy cake, follow some of the tips and you can get a perfectly fluffy cake every time. So thank you guys for always watching, and make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.